क्या हमारे घरों के अंदर हम एक सेफ स्पेस भी नहीं दे पा रहे अपने बच्चों? यू नीड अ हैंड, यू नीड अ शोल्डर
हम प्रॉब्लम तभी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं जब हमें प्रॉब्लम पता होगी।
every 2 hour and 40 minutes. One person take his or her own life. Mental health means how you think. हाँ।
एंग्जाइटी है तो बस बस ठीक है, कुछ नहीं है, बिकॉज किड्स डोंट हैव फ्रेंड्स दीस डेज। मेंटल हेल्थ, जब भी इस टॉपिक पे बात होती है कुछ लोग घबरा जाते हैं, कुछ कहते हैं बस ऐसे ही दिमाग में कुछ आपके फंस गया है, कुछ नहीं है मेंटल हेल्थ, कुछ नहीं, ऐसे ही एक्टिंग कर रहा है, या दे डोंट टेक इट सीरियसली। सो आज हम बैठे हैं पिक्स के हेड ऑफिस में बात करने मेंटल हेल्थ पे, बिकॉज दिस इज द मेंटल हेल्थ month and we have with us Mr. Sunil Manjral. He is the founder of Dil Diya Galla जो कि free services provide करते हैं for mental health related issues. So अगर आपको mental health से related कुछ भी issue है या somebody that you know is facing some kind of depression, anxiety or there are lot many things जो taboo बन चुकी है आज के time पे, so feel free to connect with him directly. और आज हम इनसे बात करेंगे कि why he started this, what is his mission and you know what all he can help people with. So thank you so much for coming to Stranger Story in collaboration with Pick Society.
First of all, thank you very much, Palak ji, and thank you to Pick Society for this opportunity. जैसे कि आपने भी बोला है, ये मेंटल हेल्थ मंथ पूरे 31 दिन दिए जाते हैं इसमें मुद्दे के ऊपर बात करने के लिए, परंतु फिर भी हम लोग बात नहीं करते हैं।
Yeah.
दिल दिया गल्ला कम्युनिटी सर्विसेज में हम लोग हमेशा शुरू करते हैं, एक जीवन मिला है, हम कहते हैं मन में भरकर मत जिए, मन भरकर जिए। लेकिन जैसे आपने बोला ना, इट्स नथिंग इट इज इन ब्रेन, हम लोग कैरी करते हैं हमारी थॉट्स को, उसको क्लियर नहीं करते। कहीं बुक्स में लिखा था, अगर एक बर्तन में पानी भी रख दिया जाता है ना तो उसके ऊपर भी मच्छर आ जाते हैं। हम तो हमारी सोच को, हमारे जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको ही अपने ब्रेन में इकट्ठे किए रखते हैं, बात ही नहीं कर पाते हैं। यू राइटली सेड, वी होल्ड डीप इन हार्ट।
कहते हैं ना जब सैंड को बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे दबा के रखो वो निकल जाती है, सो वो सेम है। मतलब अगर हम किसी चीज़ को दबा के रखेंगे तो हमारे अंदर से जो सोलफुलनेस है, लाइवलीनेस है, वो निकल जाएगी।
बिल्कुल, वो सिर्फ मिट्टी चिपकी रह जाएगी हाथों से, क्योंकि वो जो थॉट्स है ना तो आप कह रहे हैं ना, आप उससे क्लियर हो रहे हैं। तो व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, यू आर कॉलिंग योरसेल्फ सम इन सेल्फ, आई से सेल्फ प्रिजन, एक खुद की जेल होती है ना विचारों की, आप वो बना लेते।
सो क्योंकि इस टॉपिक पे ज़्यादा लोग बात नहीं करते, जैसे जैसे अभी हम थोड़ी देर पहले बात कर रहे थे कि जब हम सुनते हैं कि किसी को कैंसर हुआ है तो वो कहते हैं ओ माय गॉड, आप यू फील एम्पैथेटिक टुवर्ड्स दैट पर्सन, यू गेट देम फ्लावर्स, चॉकलेट्स, व्हाटएवर। बट जब हम सुनते हैं कि डिप्रेशन हो गया तो क्या होता है,
हम उसको लेबल कर,
हम कहते हैं इससे दूर रहने से।
यस, हम उसको एलियन की तरह दिखते हैं, भी कहीं बाहर से आकाश से आया है, इज नॉट अमंग अस।
या
जैसे कि आपने बोला ना, कैंसर होता है, एम्पैथी आती है, लोग हर चीज़ को वेरी एम्पैथेटिकली देखना शुरू कर दें, सिर्फ देखना शुरू कर दें, शायद समझना मेरी भी सिर्फ देखना, तो शायद बहुत सारी चीज़ें दूर होनी शुरू हो जाएंगी। मैं आपसे एक उदाहरण देख के समझाना चाहता हूँ। जब हमसे कोई फ़ोन पर बात करता है, वो बोलता है मैं आई वांट क्लियर माई हेड, मेरे दोनों को बात है, मैं अपने घर पे नहीं कर पा रहा। जब हम पूछते हैं ना आप अपने घर पे क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे, वो ये कहते हैं मुझे नहीं लगता वो मुझे सुनेंगे, मुझे लगता है मुझे जज करेंगे। एंड when the person is referring them, he is talking about their parents, siblings. अब आप मुझे बताइए, क्या हमारे घरों के अंदर हम एक सेफ स्पेस भी नहीं दे पा रहे अपने बच्चों को
नहीं दे पा रहे।
अपने मन की बात कहने के लिए? ये एक बहुत बड़ा प्रश्न है सोसाइटी से। प्लीज लुक इनटू योर ओन हाउस, अपने घर में खुद देख के देखिए, क्या आपके घर में आपके बच्चे आपसे बात कर सकते हैं? लेट मी गिव यू अनदर एग्जांपल। एक आंटी बोलती है मैं मेरे बेटे की घर में रहती हूँ, बेटे के साथ मैं बेसमेंट में रहती हूँ, परंतु मुझे मेरे पोतों से मिले हुए 6 महीने हो जाते। उन्होंने मुझे बोला क्या पुत्र तेरा थैंक यू, तो मैंने अद्धा घंटा गलता नहीं की, मेरे पोतों को तो आधा घंटा है निकाल कर। क्या आप उस मदर की स्टेट ऑफ माइंड का आइडिया लगा सकते हैं?
सो क्या उनको भी मेंटल हेल्थ इशू है? ये क्योंकि आइडेंटिफाई भी करना एक चैलेंज है, तो वो मैं आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ, आपकी एग्जाम्पल या आपकी स्टोरी कि वाई हाउ डिड यू कम अक्रॉस मेंटल हेल्थ? हम प्रॉब्लम तभी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं जब हमें प्रॉब्लम पता होएगी.
आई वुड लाइक टू स्ट्रेस हियर वेरी स्पेसिफिकली, मैं एक पेरेंट हूँ, मेरे एक दो बच्चे हैं, राइट? सो वन डे माई डॉटर आस्क मी अ क्वेश्चन, भी पापा यदि हम किसी का बहुत ध्यान रखते हैं, किसी से बहुत प्यार करते हैं, वो हमें एक तरह अबंडन कर देते हैं, लोग ऐसे क्यों? एंड दैट वन डे शी वॉज वेरी अपसेट. So we decided at a home, okay, if the day you feel you're feeling low, you're gonna announce that is me day. I'm thinking I'm a bit of lucky that she was able to talk to me about that, and we had an agreement. यदि कभी जिंदगी में तुझे कोई चीज़ से परेशानी होती है, you're feeling low, you're feeling bit of depressed, so you're gonna tell me that Papa, this is my me day. So we'll give you your own time, your own space, and we're gonna talk about it. So, and I would like to quote here. We had a co-founder. Her name is Raman Gill. She had a family where two people took their own life. And that
Yeah.
person is a counselor herself. And she was in guilt that she's helping so many people. But yes, she could not save their own family member.
Maybe she never identified that they were also going through the same.
Yeah. A, she may have missed. B, those two brothers were okay to talk about good things, but not about their mental health state. The issue is here, people are really not even educated what is mental health in general.
Yeah.
As you stated, mental health illness. I want to clarify here the two words. One is called bad mental health. One is called mental health illness. They are miles apart. Let's talk about bad mental health. Okay, today I got up early, but due to traffic I was late, my car got hit with somebody.
Yeah.
I came to office, I'm gonna be irritating. I'm yelling on people. My car got hit. I got late. I have got financial crunches on my head. So now I'm feeling low, depressed. I'm gonna do self-criticism. Shit यार, अगर मैं जल्दी निकला तो क्या बुरा था?
So
अगर
that,
मैं गाड़ी धीरे चलाता हूँ तो क्या बुरा था? And what I'm doing, I'm causing frustration. It's my low moment. It's my bad mental health at that time.
Okay.
आपने सुना है फलक जी, आप तो कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में काम कर रही हैं, आपने सुना है यार, दिस इज नॉट अ गुड डे टुडे,
yeah, it's not my day today.
right?
Yeah.
What they're saying, I'm not a good state of mind. Now let's talk about the word mental health. Mental health is a word, how you think, how you process your thoughts, and how that thoughts impact your action. That is mental health. Now मेरी मेंटल हेल्थ अच्छी है, मैं जल्दी उठूंगा, योगा करूंगा, जिम जाऊंगा, अखबार पढ़ूंगा, सबसे हंस के बात करूंगा, मम्मी डैडी के पैरों को हाथ लगाऊंगा. Good mental health. Now somebody has a bad mental health. What are you gonna do? You're gonna drink or maybe watch TV till 4 o'clock in the morning. You're gonna wake up at 11:30. Then you're gonna yell at the world why I'm late. He may gonna be argumentative with the people. He may be druggist, alcoholist. I don't know. That is example of bad mental health.
And I think when you keep repeating this, it becomes an illness. Is it?
Yeah. Now, no. That is again, we need more education there.
Yeah, I don't know.
So now, I'll start from the ground one. Let's say somebody gets a low period. Even a woman, when she gives birth to a baby, it's a diagnosis called postpartum depression.
Depression.
No.
Oh, no, okay.
See, I like you. That Falaki, you said that on the camera because I deal with people like you, a normal human being, and you are a normal human being. Thank you very much for acknowledging that people think this way.
Exactly.
So postpartum blue is for 14 days she will be depressed. It's accepted. Now, if the past 14 days that lady still show the symptom of depression, there's a list which is identified in a DSM-5 manual, so that doctor will diagnose, now you are going to depression. Now, if depression stays continue, then it becomes major depressive disorder. Then so on things goes further. It does not start with the day one with depression. No, the day one is a low mood swings.
I see. Yeah, because
You are not able to concentrate.
yeah, that is understandable.
But it happened with you, it happened with me. Doesn't mean we are suffering with mental illness. No. But yes, as a human, we will have a low period in life. What you need at that time, you need a hand, you need a shoulder to say safely, hi Sunil, I'm going through this, man. I'm thinking so much of negative. everything happening bad with me. Can I talk to you about this? And if I can hear your story and I am able to say, if look, this 1, 2 things you was right, but this 4th, 5th you went bit of wrong. That's why they responded, because that is their job part. And if they're questioning your skill part, it is basically, it's not a your mental health, this is your concept of your job, duties and skills. Nothing to do with you personally. So maybe I'll show you a different picture than your own thoughts.
Yeah, yeah. But the problem, Sunilji, here is not everybody is reliable. And to be honest, in this so connected world, whether it's social media or even you meeting people in person, you're just not able to share everything. Like, I know that you're serving the community and you're helping people. Even if I know this much, I'm still not able to share my problems with you or seek for help because I feel that this might be circulated.
You nailed it. You literally gave a stamp. Why? This is called stigma.
Stigma, okay.
That is what we are worried about. This stigma is so powerful. Like it is becoming a superpower that everybody think I'm gonna be judged. You know why? Because we approved it. We told everybody, I'm gonna judge you. As soon as you come for mental health world, I'm gonna judge you because mental means cuckoo, pagal, mad. We declared we are doing this for ages. We are telling everybody depression is not a thing. When science is saying depression is a thing. You know, Falakji, in Canada, every 2 hours and 40 minutes, one person take his or her own life. Suicide. 4,047 suicides in 2023. Out of that, 50% patient has one thing in common. See, I said the word patient. You know what I'm showing you? I'm showing you a stigma. They were not patient because they never sought help. They were a human being. 50% of people has got one thing in common. They all were suffering with major depressive disorder, MDD.
And they never knew it?
No, they knew it, but they never seek help. They were diagnosed, nobody did follow-up, no family supported them, and 50% people took their own life. Do we really want to say that mental health is not a thing? I want to ask you guys, do you really think that mental health is an invisible part of your life? Remember, mental health means how you think, how you process your thoughts, and these 2 things, how work on your actions, is your mental health. Okay, let me ask you a question. If somebody is pervert, he tease girls, what do we exactly say? Do you remember in India or somewhere else, what do you say?
Teasing or
If teasing, वो हम
gang.
उस व्यक्ति को क्या कहते हैं? मुझे लगता है साइको है,
सही को भी
कहते हैं.
अच्छा वो तो फिर बहुत नहीं हम नहीं कहते वैसे
बट इन जनरल
पर कोई कह सकता है
आप उन्हें नहीं कह सकते हैं. तेरा दिमाग ठीक है,
हाँ पागल
In-
पागल इज अ वेरी कॉमन वर्ड
राइट? तेरा दिमाग ठीक नहीं है,
हाँ.
तू पागल जी नहीं हरकत कर रहा है.
या
No, what is this thing? What is dimag? A brain, mental. It means he's not thinking rationally. अच्छा, अगर अभी कोई शराब पी के बिना कपड़ों के दौड़ रहा हो, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? He's
Crazy.
running without any clothes. Crazy, right? पागल. Later on, हम लोग बोलते हैं यार उसको पता है उसको तो डिप्रेशन है. अब ना लोगों ने क्लिक कर दिया, डिप्रेशन मीन्स पागल,
हाँ
एंजाइटी मीन्स
एंजाइटी है तो बस बस ठीक है कुछ नहीं है वो कर लो चाय पी लो थोड़ा बाहर घुमाओ बस वेकेशन पे चले जाओ वेकेशन पे जाके 4 फोटोज डालोगे कोई और भी एंजाइटी हो जाएगी उसको देख के किसी और को हो जाएगी ये भी प्रॉब्लम है सोशल मीडिया तो इतना ये जो भी मेंटल हेल्थ की इश्यूज है ऑफ कोर्स दे आर बर्निंग एंड दे आर इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे सोशल मीडिया उसका वन ऑफ द मेजर फैक्टर है मैं इसलिए बोल सकती हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव एन एजुकेशन इन इट एंड आई डील विद इट सो लोग एक दूसरे को देख के फिर अपनी लाइफ को जज करना वो भी पार्ट बन गया है मतलब रीज़न है मेंटल हेल्थ का अभी मैं आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि आप एक सोसाइटी से कनेक्टेड हो तो आपको आई नो दैट पिक सोसाइटी इज ऑल्सो हेल्पिंग टू स्प्रेड दिस अवेयरनेस एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द रीज़न वी आर डूइंग दिस वीडियो एज वेल सो आपका कैसे उनके साथ रिलेशनशिप है
पिक सोसाइटी is a word that our community is proud of. I want to say this to each one of you. When I came here 11 years ago, I came here PICS to get my education documents to be assessed and to make my resume.
Oh wow.
I can't forget that I came here in the same building 11 years, 8 months ago. I'm thankful to PICS, not for me. I know hundreds of people, their life is being touched by PICS people one or other way. Whether it's coming for resume prep, interview prep, taking English classes, getting computer classes, and named so many. Then I'm lucky again that PICS allowed me to come to their gala to meet the like-minded people who believe that mental health matters. Enough is enough. Let's talk about mental health. These 3 lines, PICS supported me. This opportunity, and I got privilege that I get to know Falakji. Then Falakji let me put in connect with Kudrat Pannoji. She's a registered counselor, and you'll be glad to know a registered counselor donated us 4 hours a month. So she's working here on her job, and then in her own time, she's given us 1 hour per week to help somebody. She became our peer. We were kind. She was so kind to let us meet Miss Lily. She's the director for their services. Like everybody was able to give me a hand, and it was more than expected. I need to be very honest that PICS is a people's home where people can come and say what they want to say, and they can ask for help. If they won't get help, they will get hug. They will get a pathway where to get help. They will let you know, okay, let me have a cup of tea with you. Okay, this service is not available here, but let me call few people and let me take you there in some other corridor, if not through PICS. But you can have an entry through PICS. So just think of the resource, guys. Who am I? I'm a resource for mental health. And what is PICS? Resources for 100 other things that can help your mental health. If you're a newcomer, what you need? You need guidance. Where you gonna get? Falak. PICS.
Fun.
Somebody, like I'm just saying, you're representing for
Yeah.
PICS, right? Mr. Chima. Let's put that way, right? Then if somebody is going through a tough time being a student, go to Kudrat.
Yeah.
Who is she? She's the PICS registered counselor. Now, somebody wanted help to learn computer. Their parents just came here. Go to reception and say, hey, wanna enroll for education. So what these things gonna help you? A good mental health. But who gonna ask for these things? Those who are in a good state of mind. If you're thinking positive, you're thinking I wanna settle myself, you're gonna look for resources. Now the other way. As you said that one word, that safe space nahi hai, मैं trust nahi karti. In that environment, what will happen? Couple of scenarios, but I came across 3. A, you're gonna start staying alone, and you're gonna do self-talk.
Yeah.
In other words, it will become over.
Oh, daydreaming also. Is it?
Absolutely, you got it. Second, you may start alcohol, or you may start drugs and gang. I don't know. But if I'm not talking to my parents, I'm not talking to my doctor, I'm not talking to anybody else.
And I don't have friends. Because kids don't have friends these days.
No, they have very limited friends. They call BFF. I learned this word, best friend forever. So you've got 1 or 2, but are you really able to open to themselves? Are you able to tell them what you're going through? The issue in mental health is only one: the lack of knowledge.
Okay.
People
And acceptance, please say that.
agree.
Yeah.
Then there's a lack of knowledge. Then there's all biases.
Yeah.
All assumptions,
Yeah.
no real stuff. Mental health, I would like to repeat myself one more time. Mental means the way you think, the way you process your thoughts, and then your thoughts impact on your action is your mental health. एक ही जिंदगी मिली है, और हम कहते हैं ना, किसी ने भगवान को नहीं देखा. हर इंसान में she, you, everybody carrying one portion of this God, Almighty God. अगर हमने भगवान ने देखा तो एक इंसान की हेल्प करते हैं, किसी के चेहरे पर मुस्कान लाते हैं. चलिए मिलकर कुछ अच्छा काम करते हैं. Thank you very much to PICS Society. Thank you very much to Falak ji, Stranger Story, for this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ji.